Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install HWiNFO on Windows in a very simple way. What you can do, you can simply open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and then simply search for HWiNFO 6 for download. Then you can simply click on the first website, and then here you can simply click on free download. And here you can simply click on local US DF CDN. So I'm going to go for local US. Close it, click on download. Now it's downloaded. Now you can simply click on the folder icon, click on it 2 times to install, click on the run, click on run. Okay, next, check I accept the agreement, next, next, and install. Now you can simply close all of your backgrounds app, click finish, click yes for the permission, and here is your HWiNFO is rightly opening in your computer. You can see. So here we get all the information over here about my processor, motherboard, memory, bus, video adapter, monitor, everything. You can simply see. So yeah, this is how we can simply download and install HWiNFO in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.